Hello everyone, I am going to explain question number 16 from exercise 9.2, and this question belongs from 11th class maths. Between 1 and 31, m numbers have been inserted in such a way that the resulting sequence is an AP and the ratio of 7th and m minus 1th number is 5:9. Find the value of n. So in this question, we have to insert m numbers between 1 and 31 in such a way that the resulting sequence should be AP. So we'll start this question exactly how we had done the question number 15 in the same way. And after creating the AP, then we'll come to the point, that is the ratio between 7th and m minus 1th term is 5:9. So first we will insert m numbers between 1 and 31. So we'll write like this. Let A1, A2, A3, AM are m numbers between 1 and 31 such that 1, A1, A2, A3, AM 31 is an AP. So what we have done is, the question is demanding that we have to insert m numbers between 1 and 31. So I assumed A1, A2, A3 and up to AM are the m numbers which we are going to insert between 1 and 31 in such a way that whatever sequence we will obtain, that is going to be an AP. So we had assumed it. Now in this AP, this A1, A2, A3, AM is going to be the arithmetic mean. So in arithmetic mean questions, directly we can find the common difference. The formula is available. So I am going to find that first. So here the first term is A and the last term is 31. So first term we used to represent by small a, and the last term in arithmetic mean kind of question, the last term is represented by the small b. So we'll write here. Here first term is small a is 1 and the last term is 31. So this notation is only in the questions where arithmetic means are introduced between any two numbers and the resulting sequence is going to be in AP. In that kind of questions, the first term is represented by small a and the last term is represented by small b, and directly we can get the common difference formula. The common difference is d and that formula is b minus a upon how many means we had introduced, that plus 1. So how many mean we had introduced here? M. So here m plus 1 will come. So m plus 1. Now in this we will put the value b and a. So it is going to be 31 minus 1 upon m plus 1. Now m plus 1 did not wrote completely 1. So it's going to be 30 upon m plus 1. So now we have a and we have d. So from arithmetic mean, I am going to write down directly the formula. So a1 is a plus d. And now what we want? We want, I think here the ratios are given to us in the question. So first we'll see that which terms we want here. So here we want, they had given us the ratio between the 7th term and m minus 1th term. So directly we'll calculate the 7th term and the m minus 1th term. So here Instead of A1, directly we'll calculate the 7th mean, that is A7. So it's going to be A plus 7D. Now in this we will put the value A is 1 plus 7 multiplied by D. D is 30 upon M plus 1. Now we'll calculate, we'll take the LCM here. LCM is going to be M plus 1. So M plus 1 plus 210 is going to be M plus 211 upon M plus 1. So it is our 7th term. In the same way, we are going to, 7th term means 7th mean which we had introduced, and in the same way we are going to find out the M minus 1th mean, that is A M minus 1. So its formula is going to be A plus M minus 1 D, and this formula directly I am using, it is already available in Ncert, so you can go through with the formulas, then easily you can understand these questions. So what is A here? A is 1, M minus 1 as it is, and common difference is 30 upon M plus 1. Now here again we will take the LCM. So when we will take LCM is going to be M plus 1. So M plus 1 plus we will open it. So we will get here 30 M minus 30. Now in next step it is going to be 31 M minus 29 upon M plus 1. Now, so we have both the terms. So now we'll write down the information which is given in the question. Since ratio of 7th term and 7th term is not going to be the correct one. 7th number, because some numbers we are introducing, among them the 7th number and M minus 1th number ratio is given to us 5:9. So now we'll find the ratio. Now what is the 7th number which we calculated here? The 7th number which we calculated is M plus 211 upon M plus 1 ratio, and the M minus 1th term which we calculated is 31 M minus 29 upon M plus 1 is equal to 5:9 given to us. Once we will confirm the data. So the 7th term is M plus 211 upon M plus 1. So yeah, it's correct. And M minus 1th term is 31 M minus 29 upon M plus 1. So once I confirm that the data are correct, I got here or not. So now here we have to calculate the ratios. So we'll divide them. Ratios means the division of both the fractions. So it's going to be, when we'll solve it, we'll get it like this: M plus 211 upon M plus 1 multiplied by M plus 1 upon 31 M minus 29. So fractions division I had done. So reciprocal of the second fraction, and it's equal to 5 upon 1. Now you can see this M plus 1 will get cancelled by the M plus 1. Now we'll do the cross multiplication here. Now when we'll do the cross multiplication, we'll write like this: 9 multiplied by M plus 211 is equal to 5 multiplied by 31 M minus 29. Now we'll do the cross, we had done the cross multiplication, we'll open the bracket. So 9M plus 9, 9, 18 and 15M minus 145. Now we have to separate. We obtained an equation. We'll solve this equation. So that will give us 1899 plus 145 is equal to 15m minus 9m. So all the variables and constants are separated. Now further solving it, when we'll add it, we'll obtain it as so 2044 we'll get here, and when we subtract here, I think this is 31m. Oh, sorry, I done here mistake. It's 31m, so I'll write it correct clearly so that it will be clear to me. It's going to be 5 and then 50. So 155. Now we'll subtract it. That will give us 146 m. Now we want m, so we'll send it to the division. 146 will come in the division, and that will going to give us m. Now I'm going to cancel them by with 2 there we can cancel it. So when we'll cancel by 2, we'll get here. I cancel by 2. Now I'm going to divide it. So when we'll divide, we have to divide it. So 14. So the value of m is 14. So the number which we have to introduce between 1 and 31 is 14. So finally we'll write the answer. M is equal to 14. So this question is completed, and I hope this question is clear to you. Further, if you have any doubt, you can write down in the comment box so that I can clear out your doubts. In this, I used the direct formulas of mean, arithmetic means, which introduced between any two number, which is given in Ncert, as well as I had uploaded one video already of the formulas. You can go through with that, and then also if you have problem, you can write in comment box so that I can remove your doubts. Thank you.